What up, guys? It's been an interesting day today. Oh, man. Let's settle in here. Unbelievable. I left some orders in and almost cost me a funded account. Freaking awesome. Awesome. Whew, just kind of watching. Plug my phone in. Just getting everything loaded up and ready to go. Pretty much. Nice little move here. I think we're going to kind of ramp up a little bit. Let's see where we're going to go. You could see it's just following this trend. Ton of resistance up here, though. Tons. Oh. I don't think we're going to go much higher, to be honest with you. I think it's going to kind of pull back, break this trend and kind of roll over, if I were to guess. That would be that'd be my guess. Here we go. Just kind of back to 34. We're not really pushing it to the downside, but you get below that 34, I think we're going to go see this 200 again. And just hold right in that 34. Come on down. Man, now we got this little grind action here that's been going on since, what is it? Since like 12:30, 12:40, last 25 minutes. It's kind of holding it there. Right here, it's not really tradable for me. I'll just sit, watch. I recommend if you have other things to do, you kind of like keep it on the other screen. Just kind of just hanging in this little grind range, just grinding up. No real actionable trades here. I'm $85 away from a payout. Hopefully I can get it over today, and that'd be real sweet. Request it over the weekend. That would be really nice. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Where would I want to short this? I mean, if you're going to short it, I guess 9-10 is the spot if you want to risk it. I might take it in this eval right here. I'm not taking it in a funded account because this is a risky trade. So I'm just kind of hanging. If I can pick up $100 or so, that'd be nice. Just trying to make some of the loss back from today in this account. That's pretty much it. Oh. Come on. Bring it down. Just yo, what up, Nagy? Yo, what up? Are you up today? What are you doing? How are you trading today? That was a nice scalp right there. Wow. 20 is that in a funded account? Tell me that's a funded account. Wow. That's nice. Which one is it? Is it Take Profit Trader by any? Oh no, you trade my funded futures, right? My funded futures, I think you said you could take your money out. There's like a cycle though. Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. I wish that's the only problem with Apex is just kind of freaking wishy-washy about, you know, payouts are kind of rough in you know, payouts are kind of rough on Apex. Now, you basically got to do a whole lot of stuff to get a payout. I am yo, what up, Chris? Yo, how do you guys hear me better? I have a new mic. I have a new mic up in this place. I was wondering how it sounds. What do you think? I get this eval over right here. Roll it back to 34. Yo, Eminem, yo. Well, it's better. Good. I got this new mic. It's called Snowball Ice. Jay told me about it. I'm in New York right now. I'm on Long Island. In my office at my house. This background is fake, if that's what you're wondering. I just have a wall behind me. So it's kind of like, do you want to just stare at a white wall behind me or an office looking thing? So I went office looking thing. I can make it that I'm on the beach too. Yeah, this is fake. Let's see if I could change it while I'm on the stream. I know I can somewhere. Styles. I don't know. I used to be able to. I gotta look into it. Let me go back to the chat. There's people talking. Oh, you thought it was real? Long Island watches. I don't know what Long Island. It's a great guy making mechanical watches. I'll have to look at him. What, has he got, a YouTube video? YouTube channel? Oh, you always thought it was real, Chris? I wish, man. It looks like a cool office behind me. But no. I'm literally just man, this thing is just strong. Yeah, it's just a wall. I got a wall behind me, about 4 feet behind me. Oh, geez. I left an order in on my funded account. Well, not this one. This one I got hit pretty hard in this one today. This, I'm almost over for a payout. $85 either today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. And I can request request $2,000. So that's in payout. I have another account that's in payout, so I'm going to request $4,000 over the weekend. This one is up 246. This one's up 913. This is the one I left an order in. You could see right here I left the order in. Cost me $1,200 and something dollars. Almost $1,300. Wow. You're crushing it, Nagy. Crushing it. So yeah, I basically took a pretty big L in this account. And what sucks is I was close. You could see I was at 51,500. I left an order in. I left two, there was to buy two. So the, what do you call it, doesn't hurt me. So the consistency doesn't hurt me. I'm going to have to make some money in this today to kind of get me back up. Otherwise, the consistency rule comes into play. I got rebuild for a bunch of accounts also, which was pretty shitty this morning, as you could see by my screen. It's kind of messed up that I got rebuild, but I got this one over, smoked. I got this one up. This one's almost passed. That one's smoked. I'm over evals. I'm over evals. I'm just going to trade funded accounts, and then they hit me with some rebills, and I was kind of annoyed. I was really annoyed, actually. Maybe I can catch a little 34 bounce right here. So yeah, I got hit with some rebills, and then so now I got a couple more over real quick, and I'm done trading evals. I have so many funded accounts that I don't need any evals. I just want to trade real money and get paid. So I'm going to request $4,000 hopefully next week or today. And we'll see what happens. I'm hoping oh, that's awesome that you got a free reset. I wish I got a free reset. Freaking, I had accounts that were down. Now this one is I'm going to have to add some love to it today. I'll tell you that much. Just freaking, it was going well too, my Top Step account. It was up to 51,200 today, and then I just took a massive L somewhere around here, I think. I've missed getting entries on a couple plays today that I would have netted me monster gains. Monster gains. I missed out by like a point. Just one tick away. That's all I was one tick away, and then I got freaking hosed. Works until 3 CT. What, 3 o'clock today? I don't have any accounts. I don't have any blown accounts to reset. Oh, Chris, if you get another one of those later on, let me know. But I don't have any to reset. And I'll be honest with you, I'm trading all these funded accounts that I'm trying to. I want to get funded in Top Step, to be honest. That's like a goal of mine. But I'm just kind of. I have all these Apex accounts that I kind of got to focus on at this point, only because I'm in so freaking deep here with all these funded accounts that I need to get them over. I have crazy. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and in my rhythmic, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have here. Let me see if I can even show you. Where is it? Oh, it's in signatures. So I have 2 more I have to pay for. And now I just got another 1 or 2 over today. So I got a lot of funded accounts, and I got one with Bullnox also. So I'm kind of just want to trade the funded accounts. There's too many. You see me flipping back and forth 1,000 times. I don't want to keep doing that. I'm kind of over flipping back and forth. Whoa, man. So Nagy, when can you take that money out? Can you take it out on the 15th, like Monday? Am I aiming for a 200K soon? What do you mean, like a 200K account or a 200,000 in or 200,000 pullout? The most I can pull out right now is only 2K in an account. I'd like to see us roll over here. I kind of built these all up. All these accounts are on the newer side. I've been waiting this whole time for Apex to. So basically, I was waiting for Apex to give us the 90% off coupon sale. And I've been waiting for many months. And I said, when they do the 90% off, I'm going all in. They did the 90% off in February, and I was away for the whole week. So I couldn't do it. So I said, listen, next time they do it, I'm going to go all in on this Apex, get a bunch of accounts, and turn them into funded accounts. Before that, I mostly trade my own money. I trade options, and I could trade futures as well in my E-Trade account. And that's what I've been doing for a very long time. But I said, I'm going to go pretty heavy into this once they do this 90% off deal, because I saw them do it before. I was talking to Jay about it, and I was like, you know what? Like, I'm going to go all in. And I was playing around with an account here, an account there, but I wasn't like fully in anything. I wasn't like hugely in. I was playing around, and we were playing around and whatnot. So now that they did the big deal, I basically loaded it up on a ton of accounts, and I got a ton over. And I'm basically getting 1 out of every 2 over for the most part. I enjoy selling options. I what do I do in options? I buy mostly like months out and I'll swing them. Obviously, I'm not day trading them if they're far out. I'm contemplating playing zero DTE options based off of how I would trade the futures market. Um, like argument's sake, like, say we drop this whole way and we come down into VWAP in the 200, I buy zero DTE just as I'd buy contracts and play options that way. But I haven't yet. It's just like another thing that I have to do at the same time, and everything moves so fast. So I think the first thing I have to do is start copy trading a bulk of accounts so I don't have to keep flipping back and forth. And then I can do, instead of flipping back and forth, I can flip to the option side. Yeah, I imagine if you're selling, you probably have shares in your account. Mm, I don't do any of that. I'll usually do. I'll sell options against. Um, I'll sell options against shares, or I will sell uh either puts or calls and then get assigned the stock. That's something I would do if it's something I want to get into on the stock side. Oh man, what was that? I don't know what just happened. Dude, my screen just went, yo, all right, man, I'll see you Monday. Can you still hear me? My whole computer just went black when I clicked the tab. And now for some reason my camera is not working. Okay, I guess I have no camera for the rest of the day. It is what it is. As long as you guys can hear me. That's weird. My camera just went out because I clicked on a tab and I think the computer got slow for a second, which is weird because I have a pretty solid computer. So weird. Not too much actional. So I'm not playing this. I could have played this 34 bounce. Just kind of waiting. Waiting. Yeah, options is great though. It obviously requires more capital, but I would say options you could make a lot of money trading options. A lot of money. Oh man, I'm gonna have to make a move here. I don't want the consistency rule to be that big of an effect, so I want to make about $500 or so in this account to kind of stop the losses. Man, it's such a brutal time. Come on. trying to see what I mean, if you look, this is basically like a rising wedge. You could see the trend lines right here, and we're kind of getting into the peak of it right around here. I wonder if we just roll. We roll, or we're gonna break on up. Oh, come on. I want to see a dip down. Give a good entry. Give us a drop. I just think we're getting too far away from the 200 that we're not going to get there. It's just going to be what it is. You know, man, this morning was freaking crazy moves. This morning was crazy, crazy. Now it's kind of dulled out. I mean, it was all good. This was nice consolidation, but now we're up here. I'm kind of like, look at this orb or bounce. That's money. Oh, Evan. Yep. Man, this is just like, see, this is my problem is a lot of the things that I trade are around some type of zones. And once we start getting away, there's not too many actionable things for me. Like right here, we got the bounce. We got real close to the bottom here, which was, I actually grabbed one. I didn't get a full position. This was nice. And then, but as we get further away, there's, I'm just putting some of these things back on. There's kind of less and less that I'm looking to play. I will say if we get up to 56, that would be a decent short. What's not weird, but this is on a different monthly contract. TradingView automatically swapped it over to another month. So you kind of got to do the math. It's 27, basically 30 points up. So when you go to Tradeovate, 30 points up is about, yeah. If we get that high, that's what I'll be looking for is to take the short all the way up there. I could see us going up there. That I could tell you. Without a doubt. If they get this candle with some volume, I mean, I could easily see a 10-point move out of it. They're just going to ramp it. Are you still long, Nagy? Are you still holding long right now? All the way up here? Just wondering. You might catch this. You might really catch this. Yo, Jesse, what up? Still really solid. Still really, really solid. I mean, jeez. That's crazy. How much are you up on the month, man? You must be up monstrous because you were up huge the other day, too. Dude, I'm about ready to get a payout. I'm $85 away from getting a payout in this account. And I have another account that's over. So I'm requesting 4Gs from these guys. I'm not up nearly as much. Nagy's up 14 Gs. I had a couple of more accounts that were close. I left an order in today and almost smoked a funded account. But I got a couple of them up, which was nice. Yeah, I mean, as long as you're getting money, I feel like you don't need that though. Like if I made $14,000 in one of my accounts, I wouldn't be able to take the money out. So I can't even do anything. I got to wait like 3 months until I can start taking money out like that. That's why you have to have so many accounts. And then if you use another prop firm like Take Profit Trader, you really only need one account. Same thing with Top Step, one account. But with Apex, because they limit you on how much you could pull out, you need multiple accounts. Oh yeah, they're gonna push this bad boy. I think they're gonna push this another 30 points up, if I had to guess. I feel like we have a magnet to this top, to this pivot point. Just feels like that's where we're going to. And what's funny is this trading view switched automatically to the next month's contracts, but when you do the math, it comes out to 19,700, 30 points up. So not trading that one. Just putting some orders in. So when we do ramp up there, I don't have to flip through all these freaking accounts and be like, am I in? Am I in? You know what I'd love right now is a nice iced coffee. Oh, do I want an iced coffee so freaking bad? But yeah, so when you trade other accounts, you don't need a million accounts, guys. Just letting you know. Obviously, more than one helps. You could kind of do different things, but don't feel like you need a lot of accounts. you know, especially if you're like newer, I would focus on getting payouts, and then once you get some payouts, you can get more accounts. But I would work on just trading a system and just keep replicating that system over and over and over again. That's what I'd focus on more than anything. Is this thing going to come down to the 34 real quick before reversing back up? Or are we just going to keep it going? I mean, we're definitely extended to the upside here. Oh. Come on, let's see what we got. The real pullback would be down to this red line. Just kind of like a flash dumperoo, but I have a feeling we're only going to see the 34, and then they're going to keep it going. Keep it moving. Woo! That's a pretty big dump right there. Let's see if it comes down. That's the red line is the 21 on the 5, which definitely is a holds. Oh, look who's calling me. My boy Zero Day is calling me right now. Let's see what he's doing. Yo. Trading, what are you doing? I gotta get my freaking headset. I gotta get my earbuds. You watching this? Yeah, I'm live right now. Your boy Jesse and Nagy are in the room. Yo, Nagy's up fucking. Bro, Nagy is up fucking $14,000 this month. Bro. Wild. Wild. Holds. You gonna request? What? You don't hear me? Yo, you you hear me now? You know what's weird? Do you hear me now? Oh, so this is what happened, Nagy. Oh man, I've been talking to you guys the whole time. Dude, I wish I was getting that iced coffee. Oh, that's crazy, man. So this is what happened. Um, on my back end setup, let me see if I can just show you what happened. It's so this is what the back end of the streaming thing looks like, which is crazy. So basically, my camera is usually here, and usually it's not infinite amount of windows either. By the way, it's usually just here. And what happened is I hid my camera off the screen because of remember when my screen went black and then my camera just shut off. I just figured I'd take it off the screen, and when I did that, I guess that's connected to the microphone. Sorry, my bad, guys. That's crazy. If you don't ever hear me for a while, yeah. So I won't do that anymore. I didn't know it was all connected. Um. So, anyways, um, yeah. So wow. So basically, I was saying a couple of things. One, I have multiple videos about all types of serious dude. You have no idea, amateur hour over here, bro. I'm just flying around doing whatever, just slinging accounts, slinging contracts. Um, yeah. So basically, what was I saying? Actually, I don't like this play as much. Um, let's see if it comes down. I have all types of videos about all the different prop firms, like Top Step against top take profit trader. Um, yeah, I hear Jay's in. I'm on the phone with Jay at the same time, but yeah, I got all videos about that. I got review videos. Bullnox is great. If you like Apex, Bullnox is great, except you just have to trade 10 days to take your money out. And the consistency rule is 40%, not 30%, like Apex. So Bullnox, but the problem is you can only use Rhythmic Trader Pro. You can't use Tradeovate. Dude, if you want me to go over stuff that I can't go over on the stream, I'll make a video and post it. Like if you have a topic and you're like, hey, I want to like your thoughts. Like I'll make a whole Excel sheet on things and which one I like better. Bullnox allows you to have up to 3 funded accounts, and then once a funded account hits 52,600, you can add a 4th funded account and just keep working it up like that. I have a funded account with Bullnox and a what do you call it account with Bullnox? A funded and a eval currently. I like having funded accounts not all in the same place. Actually, my funded account was almost smoked in Bullnox, and I'm up 570 in it today, doing stupid stuff. You know how that goes, Jay. Yeah, no, I was watching you guys talk, and I was commenting and going over things, and you guys didn't hear any of it, which is hysterical. And nobody was responding to me also, which was really weird as well. I'm scrolling up to see if I should repeat anything I was talking about. Jeez. I know you said something about I don't have a million accounts. I was saying if you have Apex, you need a million accounts because you can only take 2,000 out. Why if you were like on Take Profit Trader, maybe you only have 1 or 2 accounts because you could take out money every day. You just have a second account in case something happens on the first one. Dude, you just get that bounce off the 21, Jay? mean, you could have grabbed yourself $140. Clench Gang? Dude, I'm using my new mic, my new Snowball Ice mic. Hope you guys hear me better. How do I like it? Well, now that everybody can hear me, how do I like it? I mean, does it? The guys say it sounds better today. Oh, you can't get you can't. Hey, whatever works. Did he text you back and tell you how much he likes the mic? Come on down. We might get a play here right off of it, right off the 200. It's coming back down. It's coming back down. Come on. Looking for 630? Bro, we hit 630 and bounce, Nagy. Oh, this is going to be an awesome day. I'm going to flip this to this so you can. Oh, come on. I got this. Dude, I get this over. I request money. This is $2,000 if I get this over. Yeah. Oh, dude. 630s would be you, but I'll be recording me getting over on the payout and then requesting first payout. I'll be honest with you. I like trading futures on my E-Trade account better than prop firms. All seriousness, to be honest with everybody. No, I play five. I do five micros when I trade. You got to have how much the money does it tie up? You got to have over 25,000 in the account, so you got to have at least 30,000 in the account, and I would say trading like a fucking degenerate, you run out. Yeah, no, I mean, I freaking love it though because you can pull the money out freaking instantly. You know what's nice, guys? You know what's nice about E-Trade is I can trade E-Trade as I drive to my baseball games at night in my car, and and then if I make a good amount of money on the trip there when I park the car, I can request it, and then I request the payout when I park my car because I've never done that before multiple times. um, you can never use your own capital anymore. Why? What happened? Yeah, is it any broker or what's the deal? What'd you do? Are you yeah, did they kick you off? Are you blacklisted? Does the SEC won't let you be? Or do you just smoke the money? Because you can definitely smoke the money. Yeah, he'd smoke the money. Yeah, I've been there, man. You could definitely smoke a lot of money. I mean, or you just to be honest with you, because it's my own money, I follow my system even a little bit better, and I tend to be a little bit smarter with it, dude. Are we gonna get down here, or is this not happening today? Dude, I just want one bounce off the 200, get me in Payland, and then I could have a great weekend knowing I'm pulling the money out. No, geez, completely. We completely missed it. No, no, it bounced in the middle of the 21 and the 200. There's nothing. Oh, no, it blew through it. Blew through it 21 by almost 10 points. Yeah. Yeah, it wicked. I mean, you would have got stopped out. Trading your own monies is uh is interesting. Yo, what do you need to pull out? It's 52,600, right? That's what I need to do. I'm $85 away. Fucking $8,500 away, man. $85. What? Yeah, I'll have like a $500 drawdown at the end after I get the money, right? That's fine. What do I do on the weekends besides destroy my brain cells? I'm just playing. What do I do? I do a lot of kids stuff. I got kids. I'm running around doing kids things. I am on Saturday. I go over all the charts. I'll do like a chart session. Yeah, I do long walks on the beach. Um, nah, but I do kid stuff mostly during the day. Kid play dates, bring my kids all over the place, sports, and then at night, meet up with friends. I play some baseball Sunday morning. Um, and that's pretty much my weekend. But I'll look at for the stock stuff. I'll just look at charts over. I look at charts of individual stocks for like my retirement account or swinging options. Do some work, stuff like that. Just basically just simple stuff. Oh man. Yeah, you can get on the chat. But use the other. What? You don't like Kawhi Leonard? Oh, are we going to come down? Am I going to finally get the bounce? Is he still playing? Yeah, everybody's out. Margaritas. They were saying home team that's down 2-0. Oh, shnikes. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, jeez. What? I don't have it at 6:30 yet. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Dude, this can get me right into the payout zone. Another shot. Another shot. We need to get gas now. Oh, what are we going to do here? You're not going to give it to me? I just want this account to get over. Oh. Why is it so hard to get $85? Jay's in the car right now trying to get gas. He's not trading. I'm on the phone with him. Jay said he went through a creamer, but he wasn't allowed to leave yet. So he went back to ask for permission to leave the house. What happened? You jumped in the car. It has no gas, so you got to go back. Vegas doesn't pump for you. Got to do it for the stream. How's he tech? He's on his phone. He's on YouTube on his phone, shooting the shit with me. He's in the chat talking. Here we go. Here we go. Oh man, I kind of feel it. Is this going to be the one that puts us over, or is it going to sell through and then cause me to be annoyed all day? I thought I had some freaking. What do you think, guys? You think we're going to hit this 200 and then bounce? I need 5 points. I got my finger on this trigger. So if it comes down, hits it, and bounces right back. Come on, this would make my weekend. This would make my weekend. Come on. Just bust out high noons on the thing. Call me high noon trader. Grinding and chopping. All right, what do I need? I need to sell. Here we go. I just wanted to touch. Touch, pop up, I sell, and then I send my request to Apex. Oh, man. This is it. Oh! Oh, my freaking. Did you guys see that? Yo, I'm $13 away, Jay. Jay, I'm 13 bucks away. Holy shit. Yo, I did it. I did it for the stream. Oh! Oh! Oh, 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 oh. Ah! Yeah! Payout, baby. Whoa! Oh, and it's going to sell through. I would have got freaking hosed right here, too. Come on, turn back up, baby. Turn back up. Turn back up. Turn up for your boy. Oh, geez. I don't even know how many fucking accounts I'm in with this now. PA 49. Which one is that? PA 49. Move that stop. $64. Oh, this one's pretty. This one is a. This one's an eval. Bro. Oh, that was a good hit right there. That was a really good hit. I needed that in that account. Now I got one more, 58. Oh, this one's almost getting funded. Okay, 200. Woo! Ho! Ho! Wow. That was a lot of accounts that I just added money to. Wow. I'm down still in some of them. Not going to say I'm not down, but I got myself some breathing room here. This one's over. Pay me, Apex. Yeah. This one's up. I got one of my funded accounts up $900 and something today by mistake. Not mistake. I played something in the morning and dude, it moves too fast. Yeah. Woo! $2,000. $2,000. That was the best trade opportunity of the day. I'm just joking around. Jay's on the phone while he's driving around, fucking driving like crazy taxi over there, trying to get home. He's like that meme with the guy holding the wheel and like all the veins in the forearm are popping out. You ever see that shit, Jay? Can I add freaking? I can't add photos in here. Wow. Dude, $407 in this account to get me over for the day. Honestly, I wanted to get this over for Father's Day weekend, and that's really what I accomplished my goal. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. I feel good. I feel really good. We're going to go for another leg up here. This is a good consolidation for another break. Maybe we see 63 here. Look at that. See, that's how I like to play, by the way. Where it dips, comes back down, consolidates, and then another leg up. This is my pattern right here. I love this pattern. Wow, I want an iced coffee. After that, I'll be honest with you. After I got that into the payout zone, I need a smoke. I don't smoke though, but not cigarettes. So you just play the indexes on options, Nagy? Do you do individual stocks? Are you no stocks, only indexes? So give me an example of something that you would put on. I'm highly curious on how on the style. Just hit me with like an example of something that you would put on. Iron condor. I know butterflies. I buy butterflies. Let me see. Is iron condor when you don't need it to go anywhere? Yeah. Oh, so an iron condor is when you don't. Oh, so you basically sell. So it's basically iron condor is basically two like you're selling a vertical spread and then you sell basically like selling two vertical spreads, one put side, one call side, but you do it at the same time. So you basically sell a call and then you buy a further out of the money call, and then you do the same thing with the puts. You buy a put a little out of the money and then sell and then buy one that you a little further out, and you collect premium. Yeah. I, Iron Fly. Let me see if Iron Fly is something different. I love learning about this stuff. I mostly do spreads and put spreads, call spreads, straight up calls, straight up puts, and I'll do butterflies. But I usually don't do like an iron butterfly. Interesting. Yeah. Hey man, whatever works at the end of the day, whatever works for you is what you should be doing. Oh, all right. Let's see what we can do here end of day. Just flash this sell signal on on the one. Let's see what we are on the five with it. Starting to scoop up. Yo, Peter! What's up, Peter? I like selling covered calls in my portfolio. Yes, I like doing that too. Yeah, that's like free money. I actually was thinking about doing that, Peter. Was buy shares and sell. Yeah, I that GME selling calls is money. The juice on GME options were through the roof. I mean, you couldn't even if it goes to 47, I 3x my yeah. Yeah. When what hits the upper circuit? Hold on, I'm just gonna fill up my water bottle, but what hits the upper circuit? I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'm back. I'm back. Ow, dude. That doesn't happen in the US. The last time we hit circuit breakers was during COVID. I remember I was trading options during COVID, and I was some days like I was making like $8,500. It was stupid. Almost never, Nagy. Like never. You'll never like circuit breakers. Earnings doesn't hit circuit breakers or anything. Only circuit breaker is when the market itself is down. I'll get the exact numbers for you, but I think it's like 7.5%. I'm looking it up for you right now. So basically, the S&P has to fall 7%, and then it would trigger a halt. And then there's another circuit breaker. I was trading in 2009. I've been trading since 2007. Oh, was that crazy? Yeah, man. So back in 2007 or during 2008 during the crash, I wasn't trading options. I was trading shares. I had friends buying like Ford at like $2. Like it was wild. I had um, people were dumping cash into like at unbelievable levels. It was absurd. It really was absurd. The things that people were buying, the levels people were buying at were absurd. I remember my friend bought like Pure One imports. Pure One imports stock. Is it even so? Pure One, I want to say he bought it like $1 or something. I just remember he made an like the craziest killing off of it. Maybe, yeah, it went to like it went super low, and then I see it went back up to like, dude, it went up a crazy amount. If that's correct, it went up to $400. I remember he bought like 10 grand worth of Pure One imports at like the bottom. That was one of his big plays. He bought Ford at like $2 or $3. The reason he bought Ford, can you guys hear me? I just want to make sure my mic is still working. But he bought Ford because Ford was the only company that didn't need the money from the government. So he loaded up on Ford at like $2 and made a killing on that. Plus, he was getting, he bought it in his retirement account. And, he was only like 25 at the time. And he bought, I want to say he bought like 20 grand worth of Ford at like $2, which was like 10,000 shares. But now that gives out a dividend every year. And the dividend is like a high percentage of what he bought Ford at. F dividend. So he gets a quarterly dividend of 15 cents, which means every year he gets 60 cents, which is approximately 25% on his initial investment. If you think about it, every year he makes 25% on that money that he put in. So every year he makes like $5,000, I guess, about $5,000. And he's been doing it. He's been holding it since. It's in his retirement account. He bought it in 2008, 2009. So it's just like a built-in 25% return every year on Ford. You're never going to sell it. He's up just a stupid amount of money on it. He's a financial advisor. So, just throwing that aspect out there. It's not like he didn't know what he was doing. I think we're bound. Come on, give me a bounce. Just trying to scalp some money here. Just trying to scalp it, people. Oh, this is getting close up here. Oh, yeah. Come on, keep pushing it. I can get this funded today. A 150 funded account would be nice. Stochastic starting to curl up. Come on, we get, all right, I made money there. Oh, I didn't get filled here. That was solid though. I got that in my little bit in a funded account, and then my 150K eval. If I can get that over, would be nice. I might try it again. This is the other 150 eval I got. Let me I'll just hold 2. Just want to put some stops in case I get stopped out here. Man, if we can break over the 34 here, that'd be nice to the upside. I'm just throwing this out there. Is there anything you guys want to see or questions about trading or really anything in general that I could add? I'm gonna, I'm just want to make it a best experience as possible here. Oh, baby. I mean, I feel like I do a good job in putting my orders in to show you where I'm buying. Not that I really want you following me, but at least you understand kind of what I'm doing. Not that I'm the best guy in the world. Hey man, congrats on that big win, man. Congrats. Have a great weekend thinking about it. I know I would. That's amazing. Oh, this water is so good. All right, what do we think here? You think we're going to come back down a little bit? See you Monday, man. Dude, Nagy was up monstrous. Monstrous. Big wood. I feel like I got to take this again. I feel like I wouldn't respect myself in the morning if I didn't take this again. Come on. If I can get this account over today, that'd be amazing. I just need $600 more. I'm only buying one. I don't like. I want to see a bounce here. This kind of not really feeling great about this. Not feeling that great about that bounce. Just let's see. Come on, push this up. I want to get this funded, man. I mean, we're definitely low on the stochastics for a nice move up here. Jeez. Come on. Oh. Let's go turn this around. Hold it down for 2 seconds. I just got to go. I just got filled. Hold on. I'll be right back. That's what I did this morning. I got in, and I was like, what? What fixed? Something with the buds. I was like, I don't want to touch it. I'm back. What are we doing here? Woo! Oh, it looks like I made money in here. Did I get? I got freaking stopped out. Oh, oh no. Uh oh, that's an order that was left in. I'm just getting out of that. I'm getting out. That's gonna. Man, I can't believe I got over today. Oh, I can't believe I got stopped out at the very bottom. Same here, right at the very bottom. Jeez, I should have just kept it below this wick, is what I should have done. Oh, this is a good freaking day. This is a good day. This has been a quality trading day. A lot of movement. This is awesome, actually. Wow. I got to trade all my funded accounts. Let me see if I'm in any that. Just wondering if I'm in anything that I got to trade real quick to get my trading day in. So I would like to get my Bullnox account up just a tad bit. I like the long here, but I don't like that the stochastics are rolling over. So that kind of keeps me out of doing stupid shit. Buy signal on the 5, which is nice, but I have a feeling we come back down at 34 here. Coming on down. I guess I'll take another shot if we come here. I have a feeling that this I have a feeling this top step account is going to be a hard one to pass. Come on. A little consolidation. Turn this up. Push it. Let's see what happens. I'm not trading any funded accounts here. This is just pure evals. Just try to get the eval over. That's all I'm trying to do. Funded accounts might chill out for the rest of the day. Had a lot of action. I definitely had a lot of action today. Kind of like this setup. Just come on, just ramp it up. Just keep pushing it. Just keep pushing it, baby. Push it, push it. Let's make sure I traded in all my freaking ones. Let me see. This one's over. I'm not trading in that today. What? Sell stop. That's weird. I actually left an order in one of my accounts here. Oh, that's garbage. Oh, jeez. I'm down $600. I don't even know where I got long at. I guess I'm just going to take the L right here and just get out. Okay. That was a nice hit. We like that. We like that. Oh, that's pretty solid. Oh. All right, now last little bit. Time to big thing is, are we going to reject up here again? Every time we've come up in the zone, we've rejected. Right here is where I'm looking. What is this? About 9 points up from here. 75. Let's take it. Just checking again, make sure I'm not in anything in that account. Are we in? I make more money on the way up than shorts. Just letting you know if anyone's following. I make more money up than down. Let's see if I can scout this for like $80. Come on. Bring it down for me. Downtown. Boom. Getting a little bit in there. Just trying to work some of these accounts that I got smoked on back up a little bit. Whoa. I wouldn't be surprised if that was the top here. Now we're just going to kind of come back all the way down to maybe the 200 or something. What do you think? You think we bounce right here off the 34? 34 or the 21 is my guess. Let's see what we do. Taking a quick scalp if I hit. Oh, did I just do that? Just want a quick scalp. Quick scalp. Holy shnikes. That was not a quick scalp. I'm going to switch to Ho! Ho! Whoa! Did you guys just see that? Anyone just see that? It moved up 20 points in a second. Oh, I can't believe that it came right back up. That hurt. That hurt. I can't believe that. I just can't believe that just happened. That we had the buys in and it wicked all the way down. We got filled, stopped out, and it came back up 20 points in a second. That's nutty. That's nutty. Come on. I want you to come down to close to the 200 for one more rip. One more rip. We got the real account over today, though. We got the funded account over. Going to request payouts. Requesting payouts this weekend. I'm requesting $4,000 of payouts. I am pumped up, to say the least. Get those Apex payouts. Now you gotta turn this around real quick. Oh, this looks good. Let's see if the MACD can come up. We can break this little flag right here. Break this little flag, you probably push up. Get filled right at the 34 and then ramp it up. Here we go. Is it me or Rhythmic's having a little problem here? Rhythmic is telling me a different price than the price shown. What is going on with this? Rhythmic Trader Pro having serious amount of issues. It's Friday. I got some accounts up, asking for a payout. Actually, I'm requesting 2 payouts for 4,000. We'll see what happens. Requesting the 2 payouts for $4,000 is nice. I got a bunch of accounts that are close. I got a bunch of paid accounts. Things are pretty good. So I had a really good day. I had 2 funded accounts that took a beating today, but other than that, I had some that are up a lot. And I think I'm going to call it because it's Friday. It's nice out by me. And my eyes are bugging out. I've been trading all day since the early morning. And I had too good of a day. I don't want to mess it up here. So I'll talk to you guys later on. Hope you guys made money. And I'll see you guys on Monday.